All right, mates, welcome back. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Hope everyone's doing well. Late Monday afternoon. Really quick update on our call for XRP, otherwise known as Ripple. More than a ripple today as buyers coming out of the woodwork. Another hearing this week for XRP. Obviously, the SEC in the United States. Don't think that's going anywhere, mates. I'm telling you that right now. I just think, I've been talked about it before. Did a video about 4 days ago, preemptive to this breakout, calling for this breakout. I just don't think there's that much steam left here in DC. For this with the new administration, the Biden administration. I don't think the new, the direction the SEC is going to take really is into this. This was something carried over from the previous administration, obviously, which took XRP down. We all know the history. XRP was delisted on multiple exchanges. It's just now coming back to some exchanges. But in any case, today, liftoff, okay? Buyers coming out of the woodwork, breaking this 65-cent area neckline, head and shoulder pattern, however you want to call it. A lot of people, XRP's been dead for months for a lot of technical traders. Just moved back into it in the last week or two because we began to see some life here, down here on this move back up. And then we saw it come back and then right in here. So we've tiptoed back into Ripple. Now it's looking now with this breakout, we're looking at an upswing of potentially 60% upswing. And it'll be interesting to see what happens in the overnight trading. But the target now looking, on the technical side, a buck to a buck 10 does not seem impossible now out of the realm. Now, mind you, you got to go way, way back, okay, for some supply barriers, okay, with regard to XRP at that level, okay. When we get to the, we were at 80 cents or so months back at the end of 2020 in that zone during the fall before all the SEC stuff happened. That was a move up from the 20-cent area. Now we're back to that area. 6 months later, maybe? I'm not exactly sure what the date exactly is, but we don't really want to have that much on the on-chain to look at on-chain metrics for this level. So that's really going to be new price discovery. If we could close the day above, 85 cents, that's going to be huge for the XRP army, the XRP community. So you want to be aware of that. You also want to be aware of the fact, and I've said this before, a lot of people have gotten wrecked in the overnight on Ripple. And the reason being is 80% or so of the Ripple that is owned worldwide is owned outside the United States. So you've got overnight trading in the Far East tonight, and you've got a lot of people that were sitting on XRP. They may not have sold their stacks and their bags back when this thing stayed at 20 cents and 30 cents forever, okay, for months and months and months. All right. And now they've got an opportunity to take profit. Okay. So you need to be aware of that fact. I would not advise, again, no financial advice, but I would not advise chasing Ripple except for potentially on some low leverage trades. Okay. That's going to give you a pretty much nice cut loss. We're going to see what happens the last 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the closing candle of the day, where it's at, and then where it's at tomorrow morning if there is any Far East overseas trading. Might not be a bad idea to hedge at that 85 cent level, overnight on a small down hedge trade on leverage, lower leverage, just to hedge against the selling that may come with XRP. But that's just a quick update. Got as high as just under 90 cents. Massive move. We talked about it. Go back and check the video for 3-4 days ago. We called this breakout. We said it was coming. It came. It's a good thing. It's healthy for the whole crypto market if Ripple is doing better. Like to see it get listed back on BitSeven and some other exchanges. But that's where we stand. This, of course, is the one-day chart. So we're going to watch how it closes this evening. But again, the head and shoulder breakout from the neckline of 63 to 65 cents is in play today, underway, should continue into the evening. Keep an eye on it again overnight and check back and see where we